Hello and welcome, I'm Chris and this is the hair tutorial channel, and on this channel I give you weekly hints and tips on cutting, colouring and hair up. And on this video it's going to be a real quick one, and it is the massive craze of the TikTok wolf cut. Now I've already done another video on here which I'll link up here for you, which is more of a professional way of doing it and something I do on a client or in the salon. This is a little bit more of something you might do on yourself if you wanted to do your own hair, or if you were up on stage and you wanted to do something quick with amazing results. So let's get to it. So the first thing that you need to do is just simply section the hair. You're going to section off in a forward diagonal from the crown to just in front of the ear, and you're going to pull one ponytail up here high on the crown and another ponytail here forward. That's it. Then we're going to be cutting these ponytails to the length that we want. Now there are two ways you can do this. The first way you could do this is by simply using a pair of clippers and going straight through in one go, and that's going to give you a very blunt line, but it's going to be super quick. The second way of doing it obviously is to use your scissors. You could blunt cut that, or you could point cut down, which is going to give you a softer effect. And if the section's too big and your scissors wouldn't go through, you can also break the section into smaller sections so that you're able to control it more and get through the section. So let's just see that in practice. Like I said, just decide on the length that you want. I'm going to go a little bit crazy on this and really take some off. So first thing I'm going to do is just come in here, club cut, and just remove that hair. Okay, now I'm going to come in and I'm really going to soften this down, and this is just by using my point cutting. You could also come in here if you wanted to, and you could do some upward cuts. I've got to be careful because I don't want to flick it over the camera lens. Again, if this is too much hair for you to manage, simply break it down into smaller sections. So you can see the more vertically I hold my scissors, the less hair I remove. The more I come in at an angle, the more I am going to take out of the hair. Don't forget as well, you can always come in once you let these ponytails out and go through it and soften up certain bits if you need to. So once again, gauge in the back. This time I'm just going to come in with my point cutting straight away to show you the difference. Much softer line, much easier then to texturize. Nice deep cuts, a lot of texture, a lot of movement in this. Like I said, you could come out this way. That's it. Under 3 minutes, quick, easy, effective. Show you the result. And there we go, the finished result. A little bit of tidying up if you want to, a little bit more chipping into if you want to, but all in all, super simple, super easy, super quick. And that is the wolf cut. Cross between a mullet and a shag. So easy to do, really on trend at the minute. And if you like the color on this one, then check out the video coming up which shows you how to do this beautiful gray color, and I'll see you next time.